Today I'll explain you how you can set up phone agents on Insighto.ai. So starting with, first you will have to set up your Twilio. So here I will go to channels and I'll go to set up my Twilio. I'll click on creating new name. I can create any name, new Twilio. Now coming to Twilio SSID and authentication token. Once you go to console.twilio.com and you drag down, you will find over here Twilio SID. You can copy paste it and Twilio authentication token. So your Twilio is set up. Now coming to phone agents. So how do you make your agent now? So first you will go to assistant. In assistant you will select phone, and here you will see different choices. So name, so let me write, okay, let me make it on insurance phone agent. Now here just basic description, giving basic description of what I'm going to do. So and I can select here GPT, yes, and Ava voice. Cool. Now I'll have to write my prompt. If you want, you can select other languages here as well, and then you can select voices. So going to my prompt, you will copy this prompt, and here you will have to tell the model what to do, like what exactly needs to be done. So you can give it basic instruction that this is who you are, this is your objective, and in order to achieve that objective, these are the steps you have to follow. This is how I write my prompt. Now once this is done, I'll set up a widget. So add a widget. Now what was my widget? So let me name it insurance, and let me select where it can be insurance phone agent here. Okay, let's give it some reference here. Now if you want, you can on your recording, you can have what should be the maximum call duration, and then you can select Twilio account. So since we have set up new Twilio account, I'll select new Twilio account, and this is my phone number. I'll select this phone number, and here your phone agent is completely set up.